Hi, how you going? You've probably heard about the website Temu by now. I was getting ads for them all across the internet. They seem to be the latest in a string of websites like Wish and AliExpress that just send you cheap things that you want but don't need and that just end up in a drawer somewhere. So I thought I'd buy a whole bunch of stuff to end up in a drawer somewhere. I thought I'd try to get some photography and video gadgets, just see what I could come up with a budget of $20 to $25. So to start, I'm just going to search for camera accessories. Sort by price, low to high, and there's a whole lot of things that I don't need. Now I'm not finding a lot of stuff on here, so I might just search for things specifically. Okay, now this could be interesting. Sort of one of those pistol grip tripods for $3.86. Let's give that a go. Lens cloths, add to cart. Cool little camera badge, add to cart. Now, if I'm going to be making videos, I need a microphone. So let's search for a lav mic. And here we have one for $3.48. There's no way this can be bad. Always need more camera lights, so let's see what we can find. $5.98. Add to cart. And somewhere to store SD cards. And I need a new camera strap. These are kind of hideous, but they're $3.48. So into the cart they go. And lastly, I think I'll grab some camera cleaning gear. So I've got a blower for $1.49 and one of those little camera cleaning pens for $2.24. And there we have it. Now I'm just going to check out and I'll be back with you once they arrive. Okay, so it's a week later. You might have seen in my other video where I did EDC gear from Temu. The shipping was quite quick and I was quite blown away with the quality of the stuff that came out of that. So I have my package of Temu photography / video gear. So let's get into this and see how we go. The first thing that comes out is an LED video light. So I'll take that out of the package and just see how that goes. Would be nice if it was rechargeable, but it does appear to be a battery compartment. Battery's in place. And there we have the light. There's actually multiple modes. That's the dullest mode, the first one that you turn it on. Then the next brighter, and then the full brightest, which is actually all right. And considering the cheap lights I've got, that's going to do a pretty good job. I'm pretty happy with that. I can just chuck some rechargeable batteries in it, and that's fine. $5.98, well spent. So the next thing in the bag of goodies we have, this is, well, kind of hideously coloured. Just a little dust blower. This cost $1.49. It does what it says it should do. It's a dust blower. What's next in this bag? Okay, I have camera strap. Now the pattern on that is actually nicer than I thought it was going to be. It's not a particularly long camera strap. For $3.48, seems like a pretty good deal. The next thing we have is $2.48 worth of lens cleaning cloths. You can never have too many microfiber cloths around, and I think this is a set of 5 of them. They feel fine. They'll go in the camera bag. All right, the next thing, cute, have a little camera badge. 98 cents. And I'll stick that on the outside of my camera bag. I kind of like that. This is turning out well so far. Let's see if that can continue. We've got this bag. This was $2.48. And we have a little lens cleaning kit. So on there, it's got a little microfiber thing on the end. And on this side, should have, yes, this little switch. And you've got a little brush. I've had one of these in my camera bag for quite a long time, and they're a good thing to have. For $2.48, you can't really go wrong. Here we go. Got a microphone, a little lav microphone. So I'm currently talking to you on the Hollyland Lark M1, which I've been really happy with the quality of. So now I'm going to plug this into my other camera and clip that on with not quite a long enough cable, and I got the Hollyland Lark M1 for around $200. I got the kit with the 2 microphones in it, and I've found that really good in the charging case. Really liking that. This one, on the other hand, was $3.48, and you can probably hear what the quality is like. I won't hear it until I plug this into the computer, but I'm really intrigued to see. So that's my microphone for $3.48. And I'll put that into the video without any denoising, without any processing, just so you can hear exactly what's coming out of the camera for that. All right, what's next? This one is a tripod, and I spent $3.86. It's kind of one of these pistol grip ones. I'm trying to work out. Oh, it doesn't. That feels like it's going to break. There must be a button I'm missing. Oh, you press that in at the side and it moves. Spin that out and it becomes a tripod. That's actually kind of cool. The plastic feels so cheap, but you fold it around and it's actually one of those pistol grip tripods that, like, you could do film vlogs with that kind of stuff. I just don't understand how you can get that for $3.86, but there it is. All right, what's next now, Bag of Tricks? Okay, this is the last thing in the packet, and it is a little case for SD cards and the like. So it's just a little zip case, just in case you do need to carry 22 SD cards. You can do so in this case. That cost me a grand total of $2.99. So this is my haul of Temu photography accessories, video gear, film gear. I'm quite happy with a lot of this. The microfiber cloths and the cleaning pen will definitely go in my kit. I might use the camera strap. The blower's kind of fun. The light will definitely get used. I might even use the tripod. Probably won't use the microphone. I'll see what it sounds like. But I'm really quite happy with that. I'm quite happy with what I got for, I think, around the $25 mark. So let me know if you've got any questions. Let me know if there's anything you think I should have got, or if you think I'm just wasting my money. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.